Hello everyone, my name is Jene and you're watching Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Again everyone, a big hello, and for those of you that are new to the channel or just stopping by, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you hear, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that indication bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That button will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy the video. All right, so guess what? We're going to be doing the showcase of all the snack paintings that I've done in the last month, and I really wanted to show you these. These turned out beautiful. I will be doing a full post review as we go along, but before we get started, let's do just a brief showcasing of each of these beautiful paintings. Everyone, so let's go ahead and go over these kits. The first kit I'm going to show you is the parrot bag, and I got this kit from Fan Sale. It came with a partner kit, which is the eagle, and I will be showing you that as well. This kit was fun to put together. It comes with some special shaped drills as well as some AB drills, which are the dark blues, but I also added some Nova black diamonds around the beak and the eyes, and that's going to give it a little bit more flair to it. I think this bird turned out gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think. One of the things I wanted to let you know is I have not sealed this yet. I do plan on sealing these because I will be using these as storage. So one thing I wanted to point out, if you do not like to seal, one thing I do like about these kits is when I run my hand around the edges, the tackiness is gone. There is no tackiness to this. The drill area was very clear to work with. The glue was excellent. It didn't slip slide, it didn't move. It was perfect to work with. So again, this is the parrot bag, and let's show you the eagle bag. Now here's the eagle bag. It took me a little bit longer to put together, and the reason for that is there's quite a bit more to drill. Again, no sticky residue around the edges. This has not been sealed, and I really enjoyed putting this together. These two bags came as a pair, and I purchased them from Fan Sale. If this is something that you're interested in looking into or purchasing, I will have that information down below in the description. This next bag I'm going to show you came from Frosty Sea, and this bag turned out beautiful. This has lots of special shaped drills. It also has ABs, and of course I added my own flair. Now, one of the things that I came across with this kit is I wasn't really impressed with their crystal drills. So I basically put them off to the side, and I started using the Nova drills. So a lot of these crystals you're going to see, like right here in the top, all of these greens and blues, all of those came from the Nova drills. The AB drills I also included out of the stash that I had left over, and it turned out really, really good. So let me point out the areas that I swapped out. The black is the Nova Jets. The top here is the Nova Light Siam. And then I also have the Nova Blue Zircon and the Nova Green Zircon in the leaves right here. And then I swapped out the blues with some AB blue that I had from the parrot kit that I was working on. I had quite a bit of extras. And then I also swapped out the pink to a pink AB that I had in my stash. So a lot of the drills with this kit I've swapped out. The only thing that I did not swap out are these big jewels that you see here. Those I went ahead and used. However, the rest of the drills I did swap out for crystals. Again, I purchased this bag from Frosty C, and I'll have that link down below in the description as well. So those are my bags. All right, so now we're going to go into the special shape drills that I've purchased, and I'm going to zoom the camera out because you won't be able to see the full length of this beautiful angel. So give me just 1 second, and we're just going to move this. There we go. This is the angel in gold, and I just love the way she turned out. But I'm going to be honest, as you know I always will be, I wasn't impressed with the crystal drills that came with this kit, so I did a lot of swapping out. So let's show you what I've done. And I just noticed it's not fully completed. Oh my gosh. I just noticed a section right here that's not done. Oops. So I will have to do that after the video, but I wanted to point out everything that I've changed, and we're going to start off right at her hair. I'm just going to bring this up a little bit, and you're going to see that her hair I swapped out with the Nova Golden Suns. I thought that would really give that a little bit more extra flair, and it turned out beautiful. Another area that I swapped out, if you've noticed, the wings. The outer part of the wings are a white AB that did come with the kit. However, the inside of the wings was a clear crystal, and as I said, I wasn't impressed with her crystals. So I swapped that out with the Nova Labrador. It is a metallic drill, but wow, does it ever give a lot of shimmer and shine. In the greens there, those are the crystals that came with the kit. They're a little bit cloudy. It's not exactly what I was hoping for. However, I still wanted to incorporate some of their drills as well. So I went ahead and used their green and their reds. So the red bow and the green in the reef are the drills that came with the kit. You can also see these special half pearls here. Those are beautiful. They did come with the kit, as well as these beautiful AB flowers. Then as you go down, you're going to see a lot of ABs there. The only area that I swapped out, and again, because I wasn't impressed with their crystals, was right on the edges here, going down. Those are the Nova AB jellies, and I really love the way that turned out. Again, this is the Golden Angel, and if you're interested, I will also have the link down below in the description for this painting. The store was Frosty C. And I gotta finish it. I didn't realize I missed that part. All right, here is another painting from Frosty C, and I really loved working on this one. Again, being honest, I wasn't impressed with their crystals, although I did not swap out and add Novas to this. So these are all of their crystals. And the thing about crystal kits that you always have to be aware of is that the crystals that they use are technically just glass. They're not true crystals. And the problem with that is that I find that they're a bit cloudy. Also, the silverbacks on them are scratched up, and again, that's lack of quality. So by saying that, I had to pick and choose and really look over those drills before I actually placed it on the canvas. Although the drills weren't the best of quality, I do love the way this one turned out. She is beautiful. This kit does include AB drills as well as special shape drills. And this is my beautiful fairy. And I love the colors that came with the kit. The drills I wasn't a fan of, but the colors are gorgeous. All right, so if you're interested in the fairy, I will definitely have that link down below in the description so that you can take a look. All right, so the next painting I'm going to show you is my little blue owl friend, and I loved working on this one. Let me turn him around here. This painting also comes from Frosty Sea, but I noticed that this one comes from a different manufacturer because the quality of the crystals that came with this kit are far, far better. Not only that, they were packaged differently, so that pretty much told me that it came from a different manufacturer. Very impressed with these crystals, and the only thing that I swapped out with this particular kit is just around the eyes, around the edges here, and also where it separates and gives a little bit more definition to the wings. I changed those because they were actually just regular 310 resin drills. So what I did is I swapped those out and included the Nova AB jet drills. And wow, does that just make that stand out? It shimmers, it shines. This is a great kit to work on. Again, this is a partial, but I have to say that I enjoyed every minute I worked on this kit. This kit took me approximately 3 hours to put together, it wasn't very long, and it also includes these half disco ball special shapes as well as these unusual special shape drills there. Again, this is the blue owl. Didn't he turn out fabulous? All right, so we're going to move on. And here is my purple rose. This is sealed. I'm not really impressed with the fact that the folds are still showing up. I'm still trying to figure out how to get them out, but I have sealed this. This is completed. This painting was done for the event that's going on with the Facebook group Crafty Things by Jene and Island Girl. We are still doing the April Showers Bring May Flowers event, and it'll continue to go on until the end of the month. This turned out just beautiful. The only thing I don't like is those creases. This painting, I can't remember exactly where I purchased it. I believe I got it from New Homey. I do believe that it's a beautiful painting. The glue was excellent. The drills were perfect. I had very minimal garbage, and well, it's not going to be tacky because I've sealed it, but it's a beautiful, beautiful painting. The only thing I do not like about it is the fact that I can still see those creases. So that is my purple rose. All right, so the next painting I'm going to show you guys is this beautiful lion dreamcatcher. There's a bit of a story with this one. This painting I purchased 3 years ago. You heard me correctly, 3 years ago. And he turned out fabulous. But I did do some swapping and changing things around. And the reason for that is the kit came as a special shape drill, but the drills were mostly resin drills. And I thought, you know what? This painting deserves a lot more flair. It is a gorgeous image, and I thought, nope, I'm going to put my own touch to it. So let's point out some of these beautiful special shape drills. I'm just going to bring this up a little bit so you can see that. Those drills are just gorgeous. And I love the way they shimmer and shine from the light. Now you do see some AB drills in there. Those came with the kit. And then we have the Nova drills. All of these crystals that you see are all of the Nova drills. These did not come with the kit. But wow, do they ever sparkle? I just love the way it turned out. Isn't he gorgeous? Now, I'm not 100% sure who I purchased this from. I do believe it was Houlihan, but I could be wrong. But that is my Lion Dreamcatcher. All right, everyone, so that is my showcase of the snack size paintings that I've completed in the last month. And if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. But I'd also love to hear from you. So please leave your comments down below. As I've said before, I may not get to them as soon as I would like to, but I will definitely reach out to you and say hello. So don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about any of these paintings. I would love your opinion. By saying that, I'm going to say, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. My name is Jene, and again, thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.